Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you probably love the idea of ranking higher on Google and getting traffic, but absolutely hate the time, effort, and constant grind that SEO usually requires. That's exactly why today I want to share something I've been testing called DFY Suite 7.0, and honestly, it's one of the most hands-off ranking systems I've seen so far. DFY Suite 7.0 is a done-for-you SEO and syndication platform that lets you promote any URL without downloads, proxies, or managing dozens of accounts. Instead of you building backlinks and social signals manually, the system does it all for you. What really impressed me with version 7.0 is how much they've automated the entire process. It starts by helping you find low-competition, buyer-intent keywords. Then their AI actually writes optimized content designed to attract buyers, not just visitors. Once the content is ready, it can be posted directly to your site with one click, or even fully automated using RSS feeds. From there, DFY Suite's backlink and syndication network kicks in and starts promoting every new piece of content you publish. This works not just for websites, but also YouTube channels, e-commerce stores, and even podcasts. You also get detailed post-campaign reports, so you can see exactly what kind of authority and links are being built behind the scenes. If you're a blogger, affiliate marketer, business owner, or agency looking for a true set-and-forget traffic system, DFY Suite 7.0 is definitely worth checking out. I'll drop the link below so you can check it out for yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how DFY Suite 7.0 works and how you can rankings your websites, videos, e-com stores, your own or your client's content without doing keyword research manually, without writing a single line of SEO content, and without building backlinks yourself. Let's get started.
Hey guys, Josh Zamora here with the official demo video for Done For You Suite 6.0, which is easily our most popular platform that we have that allows you to rank your sites, your videos, your client sites, your clients' videos, your clients' local listings, whatever it may be, on the first page of Google fast and for the long term by leveraging our Done For You social syndication system, where we will build your backlinks for you without you having to do a single thing. And in version 6.0, we've made it even better and even more automated than ever before. And I'm excited to show you how that works. And of course, during the 6.0 offer, we will be having a special discount. So please make sure you do get in during the 6.0 grand opening. Okay, and here are just a few of the testimonials that you can see. We've been around for over 5 years. We are a proven platform that delivers our users real results, and we only continue to get better and better, and we are excited for this 6.0 feature. So let me go ahead and show you exactly how this works. This is Done For You Suite, and is easily one of the simplest platforms that you will ever use. But it's also one of the most powerful platforms that you may ever use as well, because everything is done for you. Even if you don't understand what backlinks are, all you need to understand is that they are a vital step for you to rank on the first page of Google or YouTube or both, whether you're trying to rank videos or your sites or your client sites, or even if you're trying to rank locally for your clients in Google My Business listings or whatever it may be. Backlinks are a vital component to that process. Now, the only downside to it is that if you were trying to build backlinks manually, it does take a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of resources, a lot of money for you to do it manually, which is why we've simplified that entire process into a simple 3-step process. Okay, so all you have to do is come here and input a demo campaign. You input your URLs. All right, so this will be whatever URL it is that you're looking to rank for. All right, it can be your homepage URL, or it can be a blog post, it can be a page, whatever it is that you're looking to rank. All right, then here's where you enter your keywords. So we'll do keyword 1, keyword 2, keyword 3. I typically like to target between 3 to 5 main keywords per URL that I submit. And then down here, we go ahead and enable this option that allows us to sprinkle in some generic keywords into your campaign so that it looks a lot more natural than just having all of your backlinks linking to your site using the same keyword. We'll sprinkle in some generic ones like click here, read the article here, watch it here, all those things to sprinkle in on top of your keywords so that it looks a little bit more natural. And then from here, you go to the next step. And here we have a bunch of options that allow you to do a bunch of different things and allow you to rank and get traffic from a bunch of other different sources. So here, one of the bigger updates we've got for 6.0 as well is the fact that we've upgraded our ChatGPT integration to the latest 4.0 version of ChatGPT so that all of your campaigns go attached with the best AI content out there to give your campaigns an even bigger boost. And we take care of all of that for you. You don't have to input your API details. You don't have to be paying for ChatGPT. We will take care of that for you. Then you'll select the language that you're looking to rank for. Okay, we have all of these languages available. Then down here, we have the ability to embed your different videos into your campaign as well, so that you can get even more backlinks and even more syndication for your videos as well. Because if you think about the process of a video going viral, when that happens, not only are people sharing the URL of the video, but they are embedding the video on their different blogs to capture some of that viralness of that video to their own sites. So we are deploying that same strategy by allowing you to embed your videos onto our network of sites as well. So here you just input your URL here. And in version 6.0, we've added the ability to embed your Wistia videos and your Facebook business videos as well. And from our previous versions, we have the option to embed your Vimeo videos, your Twitch videos, your TikTok videos, and obviously your YouTube videos as well. And in 6.0, we've added the support of YouTube Shorts as well. So for those of you that are leveraging YouTube Shorts to get page one rankings, you can now get your YouTube Shorts embedded across all of our network as well to get those YouTube Shorts ranked. Then you have the ability to embed your tweets into our network as well. Now, if you've seen any viral news article circulating around, you'll notice that many news outlets are now embedding tweets all throughout their article to, cite some sources or use people's quotes in their articles. So we are mimicking that same process as well. But on your end, what you can do is share your the website that you're looking to rank or the video that you're looking to rank. Share that onto your Twitter account. Bring that tweet over to Done4You Suite, paste it in here, and we will go ahead and include that into your syndication so that you can get even more backlinks to your actual tweet where you are linking to the video or the site that you're looking to rank. Same goes for your Facebook post. Go ahead and share your video or share your blog post onto Facebook. Then bring it into here and get backlinks to that post so that it can boost your the site that you're looking to rank or the video that you're looking to rank even more. Same goes with Pinterest, all right, which is a traffic monster. Same goes with Instagram. And down here, we also have the ability for you to embed your Google Maps onto our network as well, so that you can even rank locally. Now, this is great for if you have a local business or if you are working with clients and looking to get them ranked in Google Maps. Just go ahead and put their Google Maps URL here, and we will build backlinks to their Google Maps URL. And down here, we have yet another powerful local ranking option that allows you to build citations for your clients or for your own local business. Just input all of the business details information here and make sure that you also include the Google Business Profile URL here so that we can help you get ranked in that infamous Google 3-pack. So just input that profile URL there, and we will also make sure that we include this entire citation into your syndication, into our network as well. And then down here, we have an additional boost, which will allow you to get your citation submitted to business directories as well, to give your local rankings even a bigger boost. All right. So once you're done filling all of this out, and of course, many of this are optional. So if you're just looking to get rankings directly to your site or directly to your video, then you can go ahead and just, ignore all those additional options. But we do have many users who utilize all of our options to ensure they can rank as many properties as possible. From here, all you got to do is hit next. Here is where you select how many backlinks you actually want. So you can increase or decrease this depending on which package you purchase. If you purchase our bigger package, which is one of our upgrade options, you will be able to syndicate throughout our entire network of over 1,200 sites. And then down here, we have our drip feed option, which will allow you to drip feed the backlinks that we built for you over a certain number of days. Now, if you are building backlinks to a brand new site or building backlinks for a brand new client, I do recommend easing into it. Don't go crazy with it right away, just because, if it's a brand new site, you don't want all of a sudden a bunch of backlinks being built in over a short period of time. And if it's a brand new client that already has existing SEO that's been done to their site, again, you don't want to just go in and go very aggressive with it from the beginning. Just ease into it and either build less links and just increase the drip feed, or you can build even less links and just do it over a shorter number of days. But definitely you have two options here to control how quickly you go into building your backlinks. You can either do link quantity and drip feed. I recommend doing both, especially if it's a brand new site or a brand new client. Okay. And then from here, you can schedule your campaign to start immediately or schedule it for the future. And then down here, you have the option to get the backlinks that we built for you indexed. Now, this is an upgrade option, so make sure you do pay attention to that once you get to that page. But this is going to allow you to ensure that the majority of the backlinks that we build count towards your rankings. Now, what I mean by that is if you were to do no backlinks at all, let's say you're building 100 links to a site or a video, of those 100 links that we built for you, about 20 to 30% of those will be indexed by Google, which means Google will know about them. And those will count towards getting your video or your website ranked, which is a great percentage if you do no indexing at all, and it does deliver a ton of results. However, if you want to pack a super punch to your campaigns, activate the index links feature, and we will build backlinks to the backlinks. So we're doing a second layer of backlinks to increase the number of links that Google indexes, which means that Google counts towards your ranking. So instead of getting 20 to 30% of your links counting towards your rankings by indexing, you can push that to 40 to 60% of the links that will help you rank even faster. Okay, so if you have no idea what that all means, don't worry about it. That's the beautiful thing about Done For You Suite, is that we do it for you, and all you have to do is turn it on. And all you have to understand is that indexing does help get you better results. You can even Google link indexing, and you'll notice that there are entire services dedicated just to indexing links. That's how powerful link indexing is. But during this special, you'll be able to unlock this feature for a one-time payment. So make sure you do pay attention to that. But once you set all these settings, you just hit next. You're going to be taken to the preview feature to make sure that everything is correct. And then you just hit create and you are good to go. That campaign now gets sent, and we will now start building backlinks for you. Now, that is as simple and as easy it is to come in here and submit a manual campaign to Done For You Suite. Now, a huge update that we've done to version 6.0 is our automatic submission feature, which will allow you to submit the RSS feed of your website, which will ensure that anytime you publish new content onto your website, we will get notified and we will start building backlinks to that new content for you without you having to go through that manual process that I just showed you. So we've essentially automated the automation by allowing you to come in here, submit your RSS feed once, and we will indefinitely build backlinks for every new piece of content that you publish from that point forward. Okay, so here we'll do RSS feed submission. This is where you enter your RSS feed. So usually if you're using WordPress, your RSS feed will be located at your whatever your website URL is /feed. And that's where you'll be able to see all of the content that you've published, throughout the lifeline of your website. Here you do the same thing as before. You select the language. You set the settings of how many links you want, like I showed you before. Now here you may want to be a little bit less aggressive with the settings that you put, because if you are being very aggressive with the amount of content that you're publishing, then remember, anytime you publish new content, a new campaign is going to be created with these settings that you set here. So it means that every piece of content that you publish is going to immediately start getting backlinks built. So if you're publishing 2-3 articles a day, you can see how that can quickly start getting out of hand if every time you publish new content, we get notified and we create a campaign automatically for that new piece of content. Okay, so I definitely recommend going on the lower side if you are publishing more content on your site. If you're publishing maybe 1 to 2 pieces of content a week, then you can be a little bit more aggressive with this because you're not publishing as much content. Now, one thing to keep in mind as well is that you do have to make sure you are tagging your content properly with the proper keywords, because since this is automated, the keywords that we're going to use anytime you publish new content are the keywords that you are tagging that piece of content with. So make sure you are properly tagging your content with the proper keywords, because that's the keywords that we are going to use. Since you can see there is no option to input keywords because this is all automated, you want to make sure you are tagging your content properly. We do have the option to activate general keywords and index links as well. And then once you're done doing that, you hit save and you are good to go. From that point forward, you never have to do a manual campaign ever again if you don't want to. All you have to focus on is publishing new content onto your website, and you can know that you have Done For You Suite in your corner working for you the moment that you hit publish on any new piece of content on your website or your client's website. So huge update there where we've essentially automated the automation. And another big update that we've done is the fact that our system can now recognize if you are submitting the same URL more than once. And what that means is if you do submit the same URL for a second or a third time, our system is going to recognize it and you will never get the same backlink built again to that same URL. So you will get a 100% unique backlink campaign done for you if you do submit the same URL twice. So that means that you have the potential to get up to 1,200 unique backlinks to any one URL on your website. All right, so powerful update there. And that was a big request by many of our users, since many of our users do resubmit the same URL more than once. All right, so powerful update there, plus all of the great updates that we've released in version 6.0. So as you can see, our platform continues to get better, which is the reason why our users continue to get results and why Done For You Suite continues to be one of our most popular platforms. So go ahead and pick up your copy of Done For You Suite 6.0 right now and secure access to this powerful network to get your videos and your websites ranked on the first page of Google and YouTube.